Hello, this is Lucas. Welcome to another CSS video. In this video, we will be going over floats. Now, floats allow us to position certain elements in a very useful way. So the example I'm going to be using is we're going to be creating a navigation bar. Okay, so I have an unordered list here. I have a bit of CSS which we don't need to worry about, and this is how it looks like right now. So now we're gonna position these elements here. We have 4 elements here, but we want to position them inline. Okay, inline, just so it looks like a proper navigation page. So what we do is we select whatever we want to position. So for example, we want to position every single list element here, not the unordered list, because that's just one element. Okay, we want to have all 4 of these. So we can target that. So all we have to do is we do li just for the list, and now all we have to do is we do float and we do left. And what this means is all of these elements here, so there's 4 of them, they're all going to be positioned to the left of the first element. So if you go into here, we have 4 elements here. What's going to happen is if there is space here, now, so like you can see this home button here, it only takes up just this small border here, but there's a lot of space here. So by doing float, it will fill in all of these gaps here. Okay, and it's going to position it to the left because we have set it as left. So now if we refresh this page, you can see it just does that. Because there was space here after the home, these 3 elements had space to move up to here and be positioned to the left. We can set at right as well, and then this will be positioned to the very right, but they will be positioned from the very first element. So for example, home element, this will be positioned, because this is the first element, this will be positioned to the very right, and then followed by the other elements. So you can see the first element we have is home. If you go back in here, you can see the first element to the right is home. So then if we set it to the left, this home will be moved all the way to the left here. And then this will be moved beside it, then contact and about. Obviously, by default, it's set to none. There is no flow, but we can also specify none. If we refresh, and it just looks like this. So that's about it for this video. It's a very short video, but I hope it helped. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.